How to get hotels.com promo code. We are ready to help. Open up a preferred browser on your PC or your mobile device and search for hotels.com promo code and give it a search. Right here, you will find various websites dealing with offers and promo code for hotels.com. You can go ahead and select any of the website that is being suggested to you. For an example, I'll be selecting this one to be particular. Any website that you select, you will find various of coupons and promo code that you can select from. If you want to know more about the coupon, you can simply tap on Read More or View Details or anything that has been listed. Tap on Copy Coupon if you find it right for you. Then simply tap on Copy. Then tap on Visit Hotels.com link if you want to redeem it in instance. You will be redirected to hotels.com webpage, and when you book a stay next time, you can easily use this promo code. If you don't know how, first and foremost, you have to log into your hotels.com account, then select your destination, number of rooms that you want to, and when you have done with all of the details, while checking out, you can enter the promo code that you just copied. Or the chances are the promo code is already applied and will be reflected as discount or credit. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.